What's up guys, I'm Johnathan Buckhouse, and today I'm gonna teach you how to grab your snowboard while going off of a rail, cannon, any type of feature that's just not a jump. So before you try to grab your board off of a rail, a cannon, any type of rail-like feature, box, whatever, make sure you can 50-50 at first, because that's how we're gonna do this grab. Obviously, once you get better and you're doing 360s off and stuff, it's sick to grab your snowboard while 360ing off of a rail. That's like super cool. Now, the biggest thing about grabbing your snowboard while going off of a rail is you're not bending at your waist to grab it. You're not bending down and grabbing it. What that's gonna do is cause you to fall off the rail early. Also, you wanna make sure that your vision is at the end of the rail, always looking at the end of the rail. You go where you're looking. So if you're looking at your ground, that's where you're gonna end up going. So while you're on the feature, you wanna be in a stacked position. Once again, not bent at the waist, very stacked as you're going through, looking through the feature. As you get to the top, you want to pop off of the feature, the box, the rail, the cannon, whatever it is. When you pop off, you then will retract your knees, bringing them up towards you, which is allowing whatever grab you want to do to happen. Nose is a really good one. Tail is a pretty fun one. Indy is probably going to be the first one you do. But once again, don't bend for Indy. Bring your legs up and grab your board. It's going to be a game changer for you. The other thing you want to make sure you do is absorb your landing. You're going to be, because you jumped off the feature, you're more likely going to have a harder landing than the feature was meant for you to have. So just make sure you absorb the landing. Once again, not bending at your waist. Absorb it, looking away, riding out. And give yourself a little bit of a because you just grabbed your snowboard jumping off a feature. So obviously guys, this is a pretty basic beginner trick. So if you're new to the park and you're 50-50ing everything and you want to do something else, add a grab to coming off of a rail. It's super fun, definitely add some spice. You can do some shifties once you get more comfortable as well, depending on how big jumping off the feature is. Make sure you guys comment down below what are other how-to videos or tricks that you want me to cover this winter. We're gonna be making a bunch of how-to videos for you guys, as well as I have a whole playlist on how to get better at snowboarding, covering from switch snowboarding to how to just turn better. Like, you're gonna wanna check that playlist out if you wanna get better at snowboarding. Don't forget any of our Evolution merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeve stickers, guys, that's all linked in the description. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Keep evolving, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't ever gonna need nobody, no.
God, where did we go?
Look at the wind. Look at the wind. Oh.